Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening up some PJ Masks Pirate Powers. Now I have 4 of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them all 4 in this video or if I'm just going to do 2. It depends on how long it takes. But there are 4. So let's move them over here. And let's get to opening. Gotta have my handy dandy little cutting tool here. And that's all that is just a little bitty box with a little bitty thing. This is what the box looks like. It says a frog box on the back. It doesn't really tell anything specific on the outside, so let's see what the inside says. We have our little disclosures, whatever those are, and then we have our little Pirate Series paper. And on the inside it says, draw yourself as a pirate, R. Well, it doesn't say the R, I say the R, but then it shows you what all you can get. So let's see what we can get. There are 10 of them to collect. And the first one we got is Owlet. I think this is a special one because this is the regular Owlet and this is the other one. I don't know if they're special or rare or whatever because it doesn't say on here. And then there's her coin. I'm guessing that's a her. Next one we have, I'll probably go ahead and open all of them because they don't have a bunch of little parts with them. They only have like them in the little disc, so I couldn't remember what all came with them. So I think I've opened these before, got our papers with it, but I don't remember if I opened this exact set. I know I've opened the other PJ Masks. This is Newton Star. These will also be on my Poshmark. This down here. Let's see if we got something different. Hopefully we get all different things. There's a lot of them still to choose from. Papers. Now when I sell these on Poshmark, if I have the paper, if I have enough of the little papers and everything, I sell them with the papers. Some of them, all of these will have a paper with them, or the 2 papers with them. This is Gecko. This is not the, that's weird. Oh, I see. They come with the opposite coin. Like, this is the one we got, and this is the other one, like the second one at the bottom. But this one comes with the coin with him on it, and this one comes with the coin with him on it. So the Owlet came with a coin with that one, but that's the Owlet we got. So that's kind of interesting. Figured they would come with their matching coins. Actually, you know what? I'll keep these boxes too. That way I can just repack them in the boxes. And let's see what's in this one. I'll just leave the papers in there. Oh, we got the other gecko. So that's cool. I was actually hoping to get Romeo. Hi, Romeo. I was going to send him to a friend, but if I come across him, I probably will, but that's cool. So that's what we got. We got both of the geckos. Then we got, I guess that's how you say his name. And then we got the Newton Star and the Owlet. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're looking for any of these, they will be on our Poshmark store. And we will see you again real soon. Thanks for stopping by.